There we go. We got Terry Crews. All right, let's see if we can do a picture. Let's see if we can do this picture of Terry Crews here. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hey, thank you, Mr. Ebony. I appreciate you. Man, how about that? Thank you. I appreciate it. I ain't gonna lie, I appreciate it. I don't know. Let me see. Okay, just about there, my friends. Okay. And I think this is going to be our last one of the day. Thank you so much once again, Miss Ebony, for the blessing today, man. What a blessing. Thank you. Okay. Okay. And you know what, man? I think that came out real cool right there. I think I just want to put a little contrast in it, maybe. I don't know. Let me see. Okay. And I think we're done here. Yeah, that was it. Something about that right there just did it. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and just put the name here, Terry Crews. I think it's Crews. All right. Go ahead and sign my work. Okay. And there you have it, guys. Thank you, Miss Ebony, once again for sponsoring a picture. Hopefully you like that one right there. Terry Crews. The Old Spice guy. Was it? No, that's the Old Spice guy is not the same guy, is it? Okay. So guys, that's our last drawing for today. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.